Ayşenur Altan. It's a special day for me. My mom, dad and sister came back from Kastamonu and today we are visiting. We're gonna stay at my mom. I'm very excited again to be able to go see them with just one bus in the same city. We're gonna have fun. I will share as much as I can what we're gonna do in this couple of days. So let's go.
Bir de bu sandalye var. Bir şey yok, çekecek. Olur mu? Daha ne olsun? Öbür tabakların şeyden, bulaşık makinesi.
Niye güzel bu da?
Değiştirseydin.
Kötü değil
keşke,
ki.
çekeceksin.
On the menu we have green beans, rice with chicken, shepherd's salad and ayran, yogurt drink with natural mineral water. After the dinner, my mom wanted me to make plum tart to serve with the tea. I made simple pie dough using cold butter, some flour, egg, and ice cold water. To give some extra crunchiness, I also added some walnuts to the dough, and it turned out really great. I'm gonna add the recipe amounts in the description box below. Next morning, while preparing the breakfast, I realized that we have only 2 eggs. We didn't want to go out, so I had an idea with what's in the fridge. I sauteed 1 onion along with 1 medium-sized potatoes, finely diced, and added finely chopped broccolis. After they cooked and caramelized, I seasoned it with some salt and red pepper, pul biber, and cracked the eggs. Finally placed some kaşar cheese on top. I also brought from the ajuka spread I made recently and shared with you. At the end, my mom was proud of me for making a nice breakfast dish for 4 people using 2 eggs. And my dad also loved the spread, but he said it could have more spice and walnuts in it. Today is Friday and with my mom and daughter we're gonna go to the bazaar. Look at this. It's freshly baking, not baking, frying. I couldn't tell. Roasting. Nice place, looks like. I'm using double mask sometimes. And there was a older mosque. I'm talking about 30 years ago. My grandfather used to come here and he used to give me some money, like 50 cents I can say, and I was feeling so happy, just remembered. Now they built a new mosque there. I made a whole episode in this shop Gonna add the link. You can watch it from there. It was newly opened that time. At that time, with my S2 friends, I have the vlog. This street market opens every Friday. We used to come here since I was child. Look how neatly they placed the onions and potatoes. Can you guess how they did it? Let's make a little game. Write your guesses in the comments and I will tell the answer at the end.
Ton buldu o. It's night time. We are making a tarhana soup. Here I have olive oil, 1 egg, some pul biber, and dried mint. This is the tarhana my mother made. It is in paste form. You dilute it with some warm water, and then I'm gonna put this in here now after the hot water. We didn't want to eat too much, so we're just gonna make soup. Normally I should stir it, but same time I'm filming. My daughter made some pudding. We're gonna also make some sauce. It has it has cornstarch, flour, sugar, milk, and some vanilla. That's it. And we're gonna make a plum and peach sauce on top. It has pureed peach, plums that I peeled. I mixed it with sugar, water, and about a tablespoon of cornstarch. My mom said that it looked so beautiful that she didn't want to break it. And they really loved it, especially with the fruit sauce. Next morning I made onion eggs soğanlı yumurta from Ottoman cuisine. Since we didn't have cinnamon at home, I flavored it with pul biber, red pepper flakes, and chopped parsley. I shared the recipe with you with a live stream. I will add the links to the description box. We are in Marmaray.
Melis'e geldi.
Going to Üsküdar to take a ferry to Anadolu Kava for the Bosphorus line with my mom. Ooh, nice to see you, Üsküdar. Üsküdar'dayız. We were early for the ferry, so we're gonna look around, buy some street food to eat at the ferry, and leave after the noon prayer. Would you like to make a food tour in Istanbul with me? Write down in the comment section.
or variety meat, which we call sakatat, is organ meat of butchered animal. Even though it not seems appealing, it is incredibly nutritious and loaded with vitamins and minerals that are vital for our health. And in Turkish cuisine, we use it a lot. We decided to buy wrapped chicken döner to eat at the ferry. They spread ketchup, kind of a yogurt sauce, on top of lavash dürüm, and along with the chicken döner, he adds fried eggplants, French fries, and peppers.
We're gonna take the 1:45 p.m. ferry. Wow, it's delicious. So I'm trying to catch it.
Bağışlanan her kan kurtarılan bir can.
This is insane. They don't have any ferries because of a race, another ferry race, and nobody says on internet. We're gonna sit down and eat here. Since we couldn't make to the Bosporus tour, we decided to come to Nakkaştepe Millet Bahçesi.
It's a landscaped garden with picnic areas, a zip line, sports facilities, and views over the Bosphorus.
It's beautiful here.
This beautiful cat Pamuk belongs to the museum. She has blue and green eyes but couldn't film much. Before we left my mom and dad's house, we made cookies to fill the jar and kısır salad as a light lunch. We enjoyed our tea time with air shows of Solo Turkish stars held near us at the old Istanbul airport. I was able to watch and film it back at 2019 from the rooftop of my friend's house.